Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to track your order on the Bershka application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store and download the Bershka application. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always of course create a profile, and if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Bershka videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Bershka application and the home screen where you can see some promotions, some new stuff that they want us to see because, of course, they want to promote their new things on their home screen. Also, we have the search bar where you can write whatever you want to take, so dresses, jackets, and some stuff like that. And they also put the things that you might be interested in here. Here we have the menu, where you have the women menu, the men menu, and the teen menu, where you can go through all of these basically like that. Here we have the basket, which is for me at the moment empty, but be sure when you have something put in the basket, it will appear here and you can then go and buy it, add a promotion code or whatever you want to do. And in the end, we have everything about your profile. So we have your purchases, personal details and addresses, inbox, help, we have the contact, settings, and the logout option. So now guys, let's see and focus how to track your order on the Bershka application. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So how can I track my Bershka order? The standard delivery is available. You can track your order status in the My Order section of your Bershka.com account. So basically that's how you can do it. So guys, your purchases are here, so you can basically track them there. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.